Flu gets in trouble.
Planet Earth is like a huge bowl. It contains the sea and the ever-changing coastline, constantly beaten by waves which draws the border between the sea and the land, where we find coves, creeks, inlets, natural bays, gulfs, cliffs, etc., forming a delicate inlay called the seaboard.
Oh, you really scared him, huh?
What fun it is to let yourself be brought in by the tide.
This is like flying underwater.
Gosh, it's the high tide.
Yeah, the tide has reached its highest point and has stopped going up.
Well, come on. We'll have to swim to get to the surface.
Let's go. I'll race you there. The last one up is a rotten drop.
I was first!
Look, what an impressive cliff. Isn't that magnificent or what?
And the waves are also very impressive.
I can see that. Oh, Mama, she's gonna hit us! Whoa! Yeah!
I'm here! Help! Help! I'm poor, shipwrecked, thirsty, hungry, bored of being alone! Help! A boat at last! Over here! Help! Hey! Can't you see me? I'm here! Look! I'm small, but I shout a lot! I'm here! Help! They haven't seen me! I've been left alone! Ugh, why am I always so unlucky?
There's no way we can stop.
They're really rocking and rolling us!
What a roll! It feels like we've been hit by a hammer. The force of the waves is incredible.
Enough to crumble rocks!
Can they really do that?
Of course! You only have to see the coastline. It really looks crumbled. The waves are pounding continuously. They break the rocks that fall off, changing progressively the shape of the coast. The continuous wear which the waves cause to the rocks is called erosion. And now, we'll sing you a song.
A song about erosion?
That's it. Come on, little drops. The salty march.
I ride the wave, a nice big wave. I hit the bay, I'd like to stay. Nice foamy droplets are very friendly. Hit me with rhythm, give me erosion.
We're salty, spicy droplets, we're fun and we can rumba. We party night and day. If you want to, you can stay. We're salty, spicy droplets, we're fun and we can rumba. We party night and day. If you want to, you can stay.
Sandy beaches, we like surfing. We like currents which then take us far to exotic bays. Where we ride the waves.
I said it's us cigarettes, we'll take you all the way. We'll carry you all day to the far and sandy bay. And then it's us cigarettes, we'll take you all the way. We'll carry you all day to the far and sandy bay. Conga trumpet, conga trumpet, conga trumpet, conga trumpet, conga trumpet, conga trumpet.
Our playful waves carry shells, they carry sand and all kinds of creatures. We then dump them in the coastline, and that's how beaches are made.
Inlets, coves and beaches, sandy bays and cliffs. We're moaning day and night, wonders for the sight. Inlets, coves and beaches, sandy bays and cliffs. We're moaning day and night, wonders of the world. Hey! Conga trumpet, conga trumpet, conga trumpet, conga trumpet, conga trumpet, conga trumpet.
And that is how we mold and shape such a beautiful coastline. We are all left with a grin when we bathe and we swim.
With a push from the wind, we see our
song about erosion. For a minute, I thought it was me you wanted to erode.
My buddies from the coast are the grooviest drops in the ocean. They're never still. And the coast is where you can appreciate the most the movement caused by the tides.
Many beaches surely are covered by water when the tide is high.
That's it. And in Canada, the tide can be as high as 60 feet. Some huge rocks disappear underwater.
Are the tides very high here?
No, there isn't much movement in this area. The level of the sea...
That guy has had a glass too many, and he's now sleeping it. How irresponsible! He should be checking his course. Wake up! Please, wake up! The boat is in danger! We're going to crash! Oh my! This is going to be even worse than the Titanic! I know it's stupid to seek refuge inside a glass, but it makes me feel a little safer.
Damn! I fell asleep. We're going to crash with the reef. Of course, I must correct it. Otherwise, it could be a catastrophe. I noticed a small jolt. I'll tell the crew to check the hull. I hope nothing serious has happened. I fell asleep because I was drinking. I'll never do it again.
Hey, you brute! It's the whiskey you had to throw, not the ice! How ungrateful! I only wanted to help him! Oh my! What a disaster! The ship is leaking oil and it's producing a terrible oil spill!
Well, what I'm gonna do to all the fish, algae, and seabirds will be even more terrible.
Oh my! He's just as crazy as Flu is! I must reach the coast as soon as possible. I must alert everyone that there's been a toxic spill.
I wonder what's causing that shadow. Doesn't look like a ship.
Quick, Raindrop, get back on the rock!
Why? What's the matter?
Quick! Quick, we're in danger!
Uh-oh!
The oil spill's getting near. It's one of the worst things that can happen to the sea.
Say, that's Frosty coming! Hurry, Frosty, come this way!
I see you! Here I come!
Swim faster! Don't let the spill touch you! On the rock, you'll be safe!
Us, maybe, but the sea is ruined!
It nearly caught you.
What a surprise to find you here! Where did you come from, pal?
I was dumped into the sea by the ship that caused this oil spill.
And is the ship in trouble?
No, it's only got a small breach in the hull. I hope they've realized by now and have repaired it.
You aren't gonna get away from me. I'll climb up with the tide and cover you in muck. You can do nothing against me.
He'll reach the beach and pollute the sand, too. He'll destroy the coastline and all the little animals that live in it.
Look at that poor bird. It can barely fly.
He must have been fishing and the oil spill got him.
His wings are too heavy now and he can't land on the sea because the water is too dirty.
Poor guy. I hope he has enough strength to reach the coast.
Oh, good heavens, an oil slick.
The sea is covered in oil. Everything will be destroyed and we'll be broke.
Now let's make a report immediately.
All this wobble. I feel so dizzy. I need air. Turn the light out. Looks like the sea is in deep mourning. I wonder what's happened.
Careful, Dopey. Don't fall in the sea. It's covered in oil.
The voice rings a bell.
Poor Dopey. He'll be covered in muck.
Ready to be taken to the cleaners.
I'm either too feeble or this soup is very thick. It's hard to swim in here.
Come here before the weight of the oil drowns you. Come on, friend. Up you come.
Thanks, Raindrop. Hey, coming!
Gosh, what a blow!
Not only dirty and stinky, but slippery too. What the devil is this?
Something that if we don't take action immediately, could put an end to many creatures in the sea.
Look, here comes a sweeper ship, which will try to suck away the oil. If they hurry up, they'll neutralize part of the spill, at least so it doesn't get worse.
We need more help. The spill is too big and it's spreading very fast.
Whatever we do, we'll only be able to clear just a small area, so.
Days will go by before they clear all the spill.
No matter what they clear, the oil won't disappear completely. And diluted in water, it'll reach the bottom, causing irreparable damage.
Whoa!
Hey, I'm here! Can anyone see me? Hey, damn, with a noise from the hose, they can't hear me.
He's so obsessed with trying to get the ship's attention, he hasn't seen us.
Hey, I'm here! Come on, I'm sick of being on this stick of wood.
Flu, my old friend.
Don't bother me. Can't you see I'm busy? Raindrop, what are you doing here? How nice, a family reunion. And you, Raindrop, not your typical self for a change. I love to see you covered in dirt. Let me tell you that the dirt suits you well. You should dirty yourself more often. Don't you agree, Raindrop?
I don't, but he does.
Ooh. Ah! The oil spill's attacking! This spill is crazy! Why is he attacking me? Damn it! I'm the great polluter! The king of dirt and stink! That spill should show some respect!
Well, by the looks of it, he doesn't show any special consideration when it comes to biting somebody.
I'm coming up with the tide. Ha ha ha! Soon there'll be nothing left over.
Listen, Flu.
What's up, squarehead?
I suppose that being the king of malice, you'll know everything about poison.
More than anyone in the world, I'm a specialist! The best!
In that case, if you know about poison, you surely must know about the antidotes.
And if you know about antidotes, you surely know how to eliminate the oil spill.
What? Eliminate the oil spill? Do you take me for a traitor? He's here to pollute everything, and I'll make sure he does it.
If you don't help us eliminate it, he'll eliminate us, and you'll be the first to go.
He won't touch me. He must respect me, like I respect him. We're allies against goodness.
Well, I wouldn't say he's too fond of you.
Well, it could be that this oil's not being refined and all. He doesn't understand the situation.
Of course. Well, now come up with something to get rid of it.
Oil. Getting rid of oil. Yeah, I've got it. But we need to be on the mainland, in a laboratory, and it's quite clear that I can't get to the coast.
You really are a problem. The spill won't let us move from here.
We're isolated.
And we'll all be the victims of pollution.
It was stupid to ask him for an antidote. It was logical he wouldn't have one with him.
Is there any way someone could take us to the mainland?
Hello, boys. I see you're in trouble.
Nimbus! You arrived just in time!
We're saved!
What a pleasure to see someone clean for a change.
Nimbus, my old friend, you'll get us out of here, away from this ungrateful oil.
Sure, I can take you all ashore. Though I think it's better if we try to fight the spill first.
You're right, Nimbus. I think we would be cowards if we left now that Flu knows how to eliminate the oil spill.
You're right. He just said he knew how to.
Shut up, Dopey! Now that we can get away from here, I won't lift a finger to clean the sea.
Is that so? You'll soon see how you lift more than a finger.
What are you doing? Listen, you wouldn't dare.
You either help, or I'll drop you on the pollution you like so much.
Ah, you might look a softy, but you're as tough as the toughest.
You decide, Flu. You either help us or...
Okay, you've convinced me.
That's what I like. A little collaboration.
In a few minutes, the tide will draw me onto you, and you'll all be mine.
Let go of me. Ah, big guy.
Forget it. I've realized in this position you're a lot more cooperative.
And doesn't look so ugly, does he?
Got it, will you, Dopey? When this is over, I'll settle up with you.
Come on, break it up. Time is running out. So let's get on with it now.
Yes, please. And beware, Nimbus. Flu is capable of playing a trick on you.
I don't think he'll dare as long as I got hold of his tail.
This is an abuse. You don't intend to carry me through the sky all like this. I'm gonna be sick.
He's right. If he's sick, maybe he won't find the laboratory he needs.
Okay, but if I smell a rat, I'll grab you again from the tail.
Get going, Nimbus. The tide is coming up.
See you, friends. I hope we're back in time and with a solution.
No, these flying fatsos managed to get away, but as you can't fly, you'll soon enjoy all the stinkiness and destruction of an oil spill.
Well, it wasn't that far. We're in the laboratory. With so much corn, there'll be lots of oil-munching bacteria.
You bet. But I don't think they'll want to come with us. Those bacteria are very fussy.
Try to convince them, and fast. My friends are in danger.
They should be in these trays. This is where they're bred. Yoo-hoo! Bacteria! Sweetie pies! Uncle Flu is here!
Look! That's the germ that gave that trash to eat instead of oil! Blech. I still have that bad taste in my mouth. That guy is a filthy creep! We must teach him a lesson!
I can see you're appreciated everywhere.
Well, I hope you're not angry. Are we friends? Let bygones be bygones.
If you didn't taste so bad, we'd have you for supper! But don't you worry. When we finish with you, you'll think twice before you treat us again. Come on, girls, let's teach him a lesson. He'll learn to show some respect. Look how he's running away.
A smart guy, Flu is. He certainly has convinced them to follow him.
Run! He mustn't escape. Don't worry, he's not getting away.
They're heading straight to the cliff. That way they'll get to the oil spill sooner.
Give way! Give way! I'm coming! Give way! I'm going too far! Ah! That's what happens to me for trying to be kind! Little Flu's revolving around me!
What a fall! Fear must have given him wings.
Well, they haven't been of much use to him.
He must be having a family reunion. And they sure are a big family.
Look, he's trying to escape. But what is this? The sea is full of oil!
A massive, delicious oil spill! And a sweeper ship is sucking it all up. Let's go for him before they leave us without our dinner.
Let's go for the oil, girls!
What a feast this is going to be! And it's crude, just how I like it.
Well done, Flu. You'll end up being a hero. You've managed to bring the bacteria.
Protect me! Nimbus! They're after me! I'm exhausted!
We've got him! He's ours.
Get ready! Here we come!
Why must these things always have to happen to me? Oh, Lord! My Lord, what have I done to deserve this?
It's all for us! All the oil for ourselves!
It must be delicious. The thought makes my mouth all watery. Oil. Thanks for the meal, darling. You're a real doll.
Oh, pal! You got what you deserve. I never imagined you would help us clean the sea.
Clean! Clean! Disgusting! This is gonna ruin my reputation!
Careful, it's very slippery.
Damn it! Someone must have put a curse on me!
You saved your reputation, Flu. I've never seen anyone that dirty. If I were you, I'd hide.
Stop laughing, you pile of smoke poo! Anybody can slip off a rock!
You'll be okay there behind those rocks. Maybe if it rains, you could clean up.
Shut up! I don't intend wash-up ever. The dirtier I am, the happier I am.
This oil is delicious. What a feast! Fresh crude oil, my favorite.
Oh no! Corn bacteria! My worst enemies! They're gonna turn me into lumps!
This oil is simply delicious. Better than a ham sandwich.
I think I've eaten too much.
Yeah, me too. I think I'm ready to react.
Oh no! Damn bacteria! They're breaking me up!
Ah, look, the oil is turning into lumps.
And how could that happen? We haven't even used bacteria.
Yes, I know, but we must take advantage of the situation. This will make things a lot easier.
Ah! They're eating me alive! They're gonna finish me off!
Well done. Yeah, the spill is shrinking back. We got rid of them for good.
We've been lucky thanks to Nimbus's arrival and to the tide not covering this rock.
And now that it is receding, we can all go to the beach.
See that? Here comes the bacteria that's been left behind.
Excuse me, I'm a little lost. I know I'm a little late, but do you know if there's any oil left?
Behind those rocks, you'll find a nice splash of oil.
Right, I'll still get a bite of the cake. I'm starving.
Flu is in for a nice surprise. That bacteria is capable of eating them all up.
In the end, everything has worked out just fine. We must be glad everything is very clean.
Yeah, though it's never enough. No matter how many bacteria and sweeper ships, the oil spilled in the sea will cause harm for many years.
Luckily, it hasn't been a very big spill.
The surface of the sea is practically clean now, although the shore has been affected.
The beach is black.
It'll take a long time for the sand to clean up and the oil in it'll continue to kill all life forms of the coastal seabed.
And what will you do now? Will you have to live in this polluted water?
What else? This is my place. Next to my buddies, I must carry on with my duty to mold the coastline.
If I ever can give you a hand, please don't hesitate to ask me.
Count on me too. You can count on all of us for anything you want.
Thank you, friends.
Help! Help me! Get this monster off my back! Help me get rid of this crazy bacteria!
Poor Flu. For the one time he does something right.
He's an ill wind that runs, well, blows nobody any good.
Many dangers threaten our coasts, and amongst them, the worst is our lack of conscience about it. Everything we throw into the sea returns to our beaches, turning them into dangerous rubbish dumps, or goes to the bottom of the sea, polluting it and destroying all life forms, putting in danger the sea's equilibrium. The sea is one of our biggest sources of wealth. To collaborate in keeping it clean is to collaborate in keeping our own well-being.